Hi everyone, I'm Bertram the Voice Geek, and welcome to Voice Fun Facts. Today's Voice Fun Fact: singing and speaking are whole body experiences. So, the process of singing and speaking require a balance between two sets of muscles called intrinsic and extrinsic muscles. The intrinsic muscles are the muscles in your vocal tract. And in case you don't know what that is, your vocal tract is in your neck and mouth and includes your larynx, throat, soft palate, tongue, jaw, and lips. The thing about the intrinsic muscles is that, of course, except for your jaw and lips, you can't see or feel them, but they are pretty amazing. Constantly working and reacting whenever you decide to say something, shout, whisper, or sing. I like to say, I think, therefore I sing and talk. The main organ of your vocal tract is your larynx, which is made up of cartilage, ligaments, membrane, and 12 tiny muscles that create the vibrations that result in your unique sound. Above the larynx are the muscles in your throat and mouth that manipulate those vibrations, creating vowel sounds and consonants. Like I said, you can't see or feel most of them, but as you train your voice, you can learn how to sense them working. It just takes a lot of body awareness. The extrinsic muscles are the muscles that you can directly manipulate and feel. For example, the muscles of your face, jaw, neck, shoulders, back, rib cage, abdominals, butt, legs, and some of the swallowing muscles. Think of them as a scaffolding that supports your vocal tract. The most important thing to understand about your extrinsic muscles is that they aren't your voice. It's tempting to try to use them to manipulate your voice by stretching your chin, raising your eyebrows, clenching your neck, pushing, or whatever. But their only purpose is to support your voice like a scaffolding and manage your breath. Attempting to control your voice by using them in any other way will only result in the infliction of tension upon your poor, hard-working intrinsic muscles, and they'll get even by making unpleasant sounds. The extrinsic muscles have two jobs: posture and managing your breath. They must be strong and very flexible, so physical exercise is as important as vocal exercise. Your strong legs and butt are the foundation of your posture. Strong and flexible abdominals for breath management, strong lats and ribcage muscles to keep your ribcage in place and your neck relaxed, and flexible neck and head muscles that allow vocal freedom. Like I said, speaking and singing are whole body experiences. In conclusion, the intrinsic muscles will work freely if the extrinsic muscles stay in their lane by managing posture and breath only, which is harder to do than you might think, actually. Conscious exercise and perfect practice are necessary to achieve the required balance between them. Perfect practice makes perfect. Be sure to watch for my next Voice Fun Facts video. Your muscles have memory, sort of. You can find more information about me and the workshops and individual sessions I offer at the link below. If you want to get to work on your voice right away, go to my website and fill out the form on the Sign Up page to apply for individual sessions or to get into my class, Steps to Success: How Your Body Wants to Sing and Speak. I also offer choir workshops, so if you want me to come and work with your choir, I absolutely love doing that. Also, check out more Voice Fun Facts videos that I'll be posting. While you're at it, please click on the subscribe button before you forget. I'm Bertram the Voice Geek, and thanks for watching.